Greetings everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for the support. Let's make some fever grass tea, real Jamaican style.
Yeah, man, cinnamon. For you hear the voice, you know, say a chat boss. I may represent for the most creative person on YouTube. Sister J. I hear a word. Sister J word. I hear a word.
So here's the fever grass that I'm gonna be using. Some people know it as lemongrass, but fever grass, lemongrass is the same thing. All right, this one comes straight out of Jamaica. I grew up hearing them calling it fever grass, but it's the same thing as lemongrass. All right, so I'm just washing this off nicely, and then we're going to make some real bush tea. Jamaican bush tea. Yes. So I already have the water boiling on the fire. So it's time to make our fever grass tea. So here I'm putting it in the water. I'm just going to cover it up and make it brew or draw for a few seconds. Yes, see there? Because it have the pot already a boil up, a bubble up. So now me turn the stove off and yes, tea ready. Pouring it out in the cup. And then we're going to sweeten. Look at my nice fever grass tea. Now I'm going to sweeten it with some honey. But if you're making this tea, you use a sweetener of your choice. So honey is my choice. So that's what I'm using today. And we're just going to stir that up and the tea ready. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider in doing so. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe for more from Sister J's World. Take care. One love.